Stretching is actually one of the most underrated parts of strength training or any workout in general. However, it's one part of your routine that shouldn't be ignored because it can help you prevent injuries both before and after your workout. In addition to this, stretching also comes with a range of benefits as it helps to keep your muscles flexible, strong, and healthy to be able to maintain a range of motions in your joints. Without stretching, your muscles shorten and become tight, making them weak and possibly leading to injuries. That's not all though, because stretching has several other benefits, especially when you make it a part of your daily routine. In today's video, we'll be taking you through the benefits of stretching every day. Do stay tuned and enjoy. Number 1, it increases your flexibility. Perhaps the most well-known benefit of stretching is how it's able to improve your flexibility. Flexibility helps to increase your range of motion to be able to perform your daily activities with relative ease. The movement can also help to delay the reduced mobility that comes with aging. Number 2, it improves your posture. When you constantly ignore stretching, it can cause muscle imbalance, which then leads to poor posture. With stretching, you're able to correct this and improve your posture. Studies have also shown that a combination of stretching and stretching-specific muscle groups can reduce musculoskeletal pain and encourage proper alignment. Number 3, it helps prevent back pain. When your muscles are tight, it can lead to a decrease in your range of motion, meaning you're unable to fully go about your exercise, which can mostly put a strain on the muscles in your back. Regular stretching can help correct this, while also healing any existing back pain. It can also prevent the occurrence of prevalence of future back pain by reducing the risk of any strain on your back, while also strengthening the muscles there. Number 4, it's great for stress relief. This falls under one of the more surprising benefits of stretching. Stretching can help you relieve tense muscles that might be causing stress. When you experience stress, your muscles tend to tighten up in response to the kind of stress, either physical or emotional, and stressing has been found to help relieve this load, especially when you focus on areas like your neck, shoulders, and upper back. To add to this, stretching can also help to decrease tension headaches. Number 5, it calms your mind. While most of the benefits of stretching have something to do with physical appearance, it can also do a lot more by calming your mind. When you stretch, your brain produces endorphins that help you relax, and with this, it can be very beneficial for your mental health. Not only can it make your body flexible, but stretching can also make you flexible in your mind as well. Number 6, it increases blood flow to your muscles. To add to its amazing benefits is also that regular stretching can improve your circulation, making it easy for blood to flow to your muscles. This is a benefit that works very well when it comes to building your muscles, as it can also shorten recovery time, thereby inducing growth in a pretty short time as well. With regular stretching, you also get to reduce any kind of muscle soreness that might become a problem for you. Number 7, it improves your performance. When you stretch your body on a daily basis, it would only be a matter of time before you realize that going about your daily activities is much easier. Stretching helps to prepare your muscles for any activity, and if you're into any sports or any work that involves a lot of physical effort, it can improve your performance even during exercise. While it's recommended that you don't think of stretching as a way to warm up, it's an essential part of your workout process that can help you in different ways, just as we've discussed. You should, however, note that you won't get these benefits unless you're consistent with stretching. You simply won't be flexible after just 1 or 2 stretching sessions. What do you like the most about stretching? Let us know in the comment section. If you also enjoyed the video, hit that like button, share with your friends, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, then you should also check out what happens to your body when you eat nothing for 3 days.